Thank you for your interest in the MID300 RFID access lock. This video guide will demonstrate how to program RFIDs, delete RFIDs, and install the lock. To install or replace the battery, remove the battery compartment by inserting a small screwdriver through the bottom hole on the back side of the outdoor mount. Use the screwdriver to press down on the brass lock pin, and then the battery compartment will pop out. Install or replace the batteries, then push the compartment back into the mount. If you want to check the compatibility of your RFID, you can easily do so by scanning it on the lock. If the lock's LED light flashes and you hear a beep, then it is possible that the RFID will work with the lock. If there is no flash or no beep, then the RFID will not be compatible with the lock. The first method to programming the master RFID requires the indoor and outdoor mounts to be connected. If they are not connected, plug the mounts' quick connectors together. Put the provided magnet on the M area marked on the indoor mount. Then scan the RFID. You should hear a sound, and then 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 2 orange lights will flash in time with 5 short beeps and 1 long beep. Afterwards, remove the magnet and the master RFID has now been programmed. The second method to programming the master RFID only requires the outdoor mount. Insert a small screwdriver through the back plate hole of the outdoor mount. You should easily feel a button. While pressing the button with the screwdriver, scan the RFID. You should hear a sound, and then 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 blue, and 2 orange lights will flash in time with 5 short beeps and 1 long beep. Once all lights turn off, remove the screwdriver and the master RFID has now been successfully programmed. To program a user RFID, scan the master RFID. You will hear a long beep and then all 8 lights will light up. While the lock is under programming mode, read the RFIDs that you want to set as user RFIDs one by one. Rescan the master RFID to quit programming mode. Programming mode will also quit automatically 10 seconds after 40 flashes. To delete a user RFID, scan the master RFID. The lock will enter programming mode. Under programming mode, scan the user RFID that you want to delete 5 times. Each reading will be followed by a short tune. On the 6th reading, there will be a long tune indicating that the RFID has been deleted from the lock. Rescan the master RFID to quit programming mode. To reset or delete all RFIDs, program a new master RFID to the lock using any method. When you do so, the previous master RFID and all its user RFIDs will be invalid and deleted from the lock. As you see in the demonstration, a new master RFID has been programmed, and when the old master RFID or any of its user RFID were read, it was invalid. To install the lock, first install the latch. Place the latch through the latch hole and position it with the angled side facing the strike plate. Secure it with the provided screws and a Phillips screwdriver. Next, you will need to install the outdoor mount. Slide the connector through the opening of the rubber gasket and then place the rest of the rubber gasket on the back side of the outdoor mount. Place the outdoor mount through the knob hole and slide the latch through the groove in the mount. Grab the indoor mount and slide the connector through the opening of the indoor mount's rubber gasket. Connect the two wires together through the knob hole if desired. Note that this step is optional. Put the wires in the knob hole and keep them away from any moving parts. Insert the indoor mount into the outdoor mount and secure it with screws. Finally, install the strike plate and make sure it aligns with the latch. Besides using an RFID, you can unlock this lock with the provided key. First, remove the metal cap in the door handle with the provided magnet. Insert the key in the keyhole and turn 90 degrees clockwise to unlock the mechanism. Then simply turn the door handle to open the door. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please review the product manual provided to you. You can also visit our website at www.mettex.com or contact us.